Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now in this video I will be telling about getting elements by ID. So over here I will make a tab and then this thing and no. Okay. So I'll give it a ID of 10 and write it in double or single quotes. And now in the script tag I'll write document dot get element by ID elements by ID. So these three first letter will be capital and now parenthesis and then double quotes and write the ID name demo. Then I'll get it. See demo, you can see. Now if I'll have to change its inner HTML, I'll type dot inner HTML is equals to change. Now see what happens. It changed. Now if you want to style it, style, then dot style dot background color equals to red or blue anything. Save and see. Background color equals to, now see. The C should be capital, otherwise it wouldn't work, like it didn't work. Now I'll also make a video on styling. So till now, thank you and keep watching this playlist. Thank you.